What's up, everybody? Chase Haynes here, and today we're going to be talking about Python sets. There's a lot we have to cover about sets, but by the end of this video, we're going to know what sets are and how we can use them. With that being said, let's get into it. Okay, great. So we're going to go into our repository. We're going to do the same run through. We're going to go to Python variables. Up. All right, cool. So we have it laid out now so everyone can see. What we're going to do is we're going to create a set, right? We're going to create a file just as we've done in the past. Sets.py. Here we go. We're going to break it down just like tuples and just like lists we've discussed in previous videos. We're going to do the same thing and break it down and go into detail about when to use it and how we can use it. Okay, great. So a set is, we're going to go comment unordered. Unchangeable. Unless you remove or add, right? You remove it and then you add something. And then also does not allow duplicates. Go into detail for that because it is not indexed as traditional such as lists or tuples are. So let's get into it. So we're going to create a variable and we're going to call this my set. We're going to equal this to, it's going to be the curly brackets. And then from here, we're going to put quotation marks. And then this is where we can list strings. It can also be Booleans and they can also be integers. So let me put that in as well. Sets can be integers, strings, and Booleans. There we go. All right, so let's put cat. We'll put dog. We'll put some, let's do ages. 10, 8. Then we'll put true. Right, so this is a set. So from here, we can print it out just as we previously done before, but it's not indexed, right? So we're going to only be able to call my set. We're going to run it. And there we go. It gives all the items that are within this variable. One thing we can also do with this, right? We can also do length. Do the length of the set. And there we go. 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm going to show you an example, right? So say we wanted to print my set. We can't index it, right? Because we talked about how it does not allow duplicates, right? Because it is not indexed. Let's just do an example, right? And see what the output is. So we're going to print my set. And remember, square brackets with our index of choice, right? Or we could put an I. In this case, we're just going to call an individual index. So break this down. And let's do, remember, index of 0 for cat, index of 1 for dog, index of 2 for 10, index of 3 for 8, and then we have, it's a little messy, sorry. And then we have index of 4 for true, right? So traditionally, from like our lists and tuples, we could say 1, right? Call the dog. Let's clear this. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna run this, and you see we can't actually call the index of this set because it does not allow it, because like we said, it does not allow indexing. Now say we want to add something, right? So let's do this. Let's do my set dot add parenthesis, and then we're going to put okay, let's put a string. We have a cat, we have a dog, let's add a bird, right? So we're going to add bird. We're going to get rid of this because this is incorrect. We're going to go my set, and now we're going to run this. clear this out actually. There we go. And now you can see that it's actually added bird to this set. True, dog, 8, 10, bird, cat. And now let's take it a step further, right? So let's comment this out. And let's bring it up a notch, right? So my set, cat, dog, 10, 8, true, right? So let's say this is just pets. And let's actually get rid of this. No, let's do this. Let's comment this out. Bring this down. What we're going to do, we're going to make a whole new variable. And we're going to make it all strings. So we're going to then say cat, dog. We can add bird again. Rat. I don't know. Dragon. There we go. Great. And we're going to say my pets. And then we can create another variable, pets needed. We're going to equal, and we're going to create another set. So here we go, curly brackets, and let's say, yeah, so for this one, right, what pets do we want? Like, what pets do we need? So let's say, let's do lizard. Mouse, spider. Okay, great. And so now what we can do is we can take this and we're going to print my pets, but then we're going to update bracket, and then we're going to say pets needed. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to say my pets, going to add the pets needed. And then from here, we're going to print my pets. And there we have it, right? So now we've added the spider, rat, dragon, lizard, mouse, dog, cat, and bird, and it's all in one. And the thing is, though, we're going to talk about dictionaries more for my next video. But as of right now, right, so we have this as a set. This is also a set. But we can also make it with, say, lists, right? So let's do that, for example. So we are simply going to, let's just comment this out. I'm going to copy it. Paste it in here. Don't forget, we have to change the brackets, right? Because a list uses square brackets. And there we go. I'm going to clear this. Run it. And there we go. Cat, spider, lizard, bird, dog, mouse, rat, and dragon. Now that we've talked about sets in a more detailed aspect, I hope you understand what sets are and how you can apply them to your code. With that being said, if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a great day.